Hello children, a very bright day to you all. In this video, we will continue about the types of water bodies. Now, we will see the different types of water bodies, isn't it? Like rivers, streams, pond, lakes, etc. So, let's study about the definition of the rivers. Okay, rivers are large streams. Okay, so what is the meaning of stream, children? Stream actually that is also a kind of water bodies, isn't it? But they flow. Stream is a small narrow river actually. Okay, small narrow rivers. Look at the example. This is the stream. This is the example of stream. Okay, so this is the small narrow river, and here one more river is there. So look at the width of this river and look at the width of this river. Okay, so this is the stream. Okay, so rivers are most probably rivers are large streams that flow over the lands. Actually, all the water bodies, they flow over the lands only. For example, oceans, seas, lake and pond, everybody they are flowing over the land only, because we are living in our planet. Okay, so you know already 71% is the water. So these 71% is flowing on our planet, on our earth. So they are flowing on the land, isn't it? So they flow over the lands, over the earth, isn't it? Now rivers are freshwater, okay, bodies. Okay, freshwater bodies. What is the meaning of freshwater bodies, children? Freshwater body means there is a very less amount of salt is there. Okay, why we are not drinking oceans water and seas water? Because these waters have large amount of salt is mixed in these types of waters. But rivers, these lakes, these waters, they have salt but in very little amount. So that's why these water bodies are fit for our daily requirements, isn't it? For example, washing clothes, drinking purposes and cooking, all those things. So this is the fresh water, means there is less amount of salt is there, so we can use for our requirements. That's why. Okay, so rivers are freshwater bodies which generally begin at mountainous. Okay, where it starts? They start from the mountainous. Why? Because the ice, when the ice melt, the same water, okay, water, you know, water change its forms, sometimes solid and sometimes liquid and sometimes it can be a gaseous state. So now the water is, this rivers actually begins with the mountainous areas, isn't it? And they usually drain, okay, in oceans or seas. Okay, what is the meaning of drain? Means it's begin with the mountainous areas, and after that they flow in the number of channels. What I have told you, number of channels means I have told you they are flowing in the many streams. Okay, in the many streams, all these channels, okay, all these streams, rivers, they are actually at the last, okay, they joins to the sea or oceans. Okay, for example, here Ganga and Kaveri river. Now let us see our next water bodies. Okay, that is lakes. A lake is a water body, okay, surrounded by land on all sides. Okay, lake is surrounded by land all the sides. Okay, lakes can have salt or fresh water. Few lakes are natural or few lakes are Artificial. Artificial means it can be a more salt or less salt. Okay. Less amount of salt we can use for our purposes. Okay. And salt water means cannot live. We cannot survive in this type of water. Even animals also. Okay, children. So the examples of the lake is what? Dal Lake. The definition of the Gulf. Okay. So a gulf is a large area of an ocean or sea. Okay. Most probably it is sea only, children. Okay. That is surrounded by land. What does it mean, children? Gulf means a land which is surrounded by deep sea. Okay, children? A land which is surrounded by deep sea, that is known as Gulf. Okay. For example, Gulf countries. Do you know Gulf countries? I will tell you the name of these countries. Okay. Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, okay, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, that is UAE. These 6 countries which is known as Gulf countries, okay, because they are situated near Arabian Peninsula. I will show the picture, children. Just look over here, children. This is the picture of Gulf countries. Okay. Now we are studying about the Gulf, isn't it? So just look what is the correct definition of the Gulf. So now this is the Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, UAE, United Arab Emirates, isn't it? Now it is a Qatar and Oman. Okay. So these 6 countries, okay, these 6 countries surrounded by deep sea. Okay. Isn't it? These land, okay, these countries surrounded by deep sea. Isn't it? Surrounded by deep sea. So, which is known as Gulf. Okay, children? Which is known as Gulf. A land which is surrounded by deep sea, that is known as Gulf. Now, bay. Okay. So, a bay is a body of water which is partially enclosed. Okay. The water is little closed by land. Okay. The water is little enclosed by land. Okay. So it has a wide mouth opening of land and is joined to the sea of land. I will show you the picture. You will understand easily. The example is Bay of Bengal. Just have a look, children. This is the picture of Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now here in the east side there is a Myanmar. Okay. This water, bay means actually a water. Okay. So this water side which is covered by big area. Okay. See how big area. This water side covered with the big area in the east side, and in the west side also covered with the big area, that is India. But in the north side, okay, but in the north side the water is enclosed. Okay, it is closed or it is covered with a small area, small piece, which is known as Bangladesh. So because of small area and it is in curved shape, look the shape, it is in curved shape, so known as bay. Okay. Now got the definition, children? The water which is enclosed, which is closed by a small land, okay, in curved shape, is known as bay. Bay of Bengal, why means the Bengal country is enclosed this water body. So that's why it is named Bay of Bengal. And it is the water, look here, this water has a wide, look the size, wide size, okay, wide mouth opening of this water is in the ocean or in the sea. Okay, these are the what? This is our ocean, children. Okay, these are the ocean, Indian Ocean, isn't it? So these parts is a Indian Ocean actually. So this wide mouth is there, that's open into the Indian Ocean. Okay, wide mouth is joined to the Indian Ocean, or you can say sea also. Okay, children.